Hey, look at this. I heated the oil and put on some sugar, and then I put the banana. This is the big banana. I don't know how it's called here in Indonesia. It's really sweet, but it's supposed to be a banana cue. I don't want it too sweet, so the sugar is just enough to cover a little bit with the banana. We have to remove it until it's cooked, until the banana is cooked. For now, it's still absorbing the sugar that's around that I pour into the oil. You have to keep mixing so that there's even distribution of sugar. It's not gonna be the usual banana cue is fully covered, so red with the sugar fully coated, but this one is not. Just less because I think the banana is already so sweet, so I wanted that I used a bit of sugar in this case. It's quite ripe. It's a big banana. I used to know that. I totally forgot. This is the thing. When you put this on the pan and then without thinking whether you will preparing whether you will take a video or not, and here I am. I'm taking a video because I forgot, we don't do this every day. I don't cook every day banana. It's good in the morning, so we have bread, we have this option, the banana. Good for coffee. So why not? The banana is getting cooked. Make sure of that, and then at least the little sugar is fully transferred or coating the banana additional sweetness. So this is banana cube. That is if I use the stick, but for now no, but I don't use the stick. I put it on the trainer. I just use the fork. A lot of time to use the stick when you're just in house. That's why sometimes it's good to buy from outside because they're really banana cute. That's it. So just baking until it turns a bit more red, which it is happening now, and sugar is coating the banana. Yeah, a bit more of time. Once it's ready, then it is ready. So I'm gonna pour it. Smelling good with less sugar I add. It's good for coffee, you know. But usually with bananas like this, I just steam them. They're healthier actually than this. But once in a while, it's good to have to use oil. It's getting brown at the moment, caramelized now. So good. And I think the banana is already cooked. So wait and see. I'm gonna let it stay for at least less than 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a shot once it's on plate. Okay, later.